I'm so ADHD, right? So I was
Mm-hmm.
like, cool, something new. Like something new to spark my interest. And I felt really like out of touch with the marketing title because at that point I was only doing social media. And so I just did what I knew, which was to make it look pretty, to have pretty, photography. And so when people, a prospective parent were to come to our account, they'd be like, that's great portrait mode. I'm going to go there. And like, that's all I had to work on, right? And I kind of just have to, pretend to everybody else that, looks to me to be the expert that like, yeah, I knew this forever.
Totally.
And the thing with marketing is like it, and technology in general, it changes all the time. And that's something that's like eased that imposter syndrome a little bit, is realizing that like even the experts have to read every day, to make sure that they're staying up with like the latest trends in the industry. I was going to redo the website and I was like, I'm gonna impress him so hard. And at this point, I didn't know him very well and I was so intimidated by him. So I go in and I make this new website. You're gonna go to Adam's house and you're gonna show him your website. And I'm like, yes, he is gonna love this. So I roll up to Adam's house, I'm taking deep breaths and I get up and I go inside. This sucks. And I'm like, what do you mean it sucks? This is gorgeous. He was probably nice to me for what a big mistake that was. But I went home. I didn't go home. I got in my car and I cried. Adam felt so bad that he, made me cry, but I had never in my life, I don't think, had somebody be so direct with me. And thank God he gave me such direct feedback, because I don't know how I would have ever figured it out. It had somebody not tell me that, yeah, you did a great art project, but like this is not effective in any way, shape, or form.